So viewers, today we are back with part 1 of episode 126. So this part starts with Mehmet Bai and Aladdin fighting, and the witch is running so high that she will die. Mehmet Bai says to Aladdin that you will die today. Aladdin, today you will die. No one can save you. They both fall on each other, and Mehmet Bai takes out his dagger and attacks Aladdin, and in this way the witch comes in the middle, and this dagger hits the witch, which hurts her, and he catches Gun Khatun. Then, Aladdin tells his soldier to bring the bus. We will have to do the wound treatment. Mehmet says to his soldier to bring Gokman. After this, Aladdin starts to do the treatment of Gun Khatun, but Mehmet gives him a warning and says to move back, Aladdin, stay in your limits, otherwise I will not sit peacefully without killing you. After that, Mehmet starts to do the treatment of his sister. In the meantime, a soldier comes and says to Aladdin, Shahzadeh Motlam Golkulu Khan has attacked the city of Yeni. What are you saying? Then Aladdin tells his spies to take out the horses. Gonka Hatun tells Aladdin to go, I'm fine. Well done. Go for God's sake. Then Mehmet Bey tells Aladdin that I was your slave for my life. I have already paid your life by sacrificing your life. You have not made any mistake and your life has not gone. This time Aladdin says that Allah is the one who takes and gives life. Mehmet Sardar, I stopped because of Gonka, but next time I will not be greedy, remember. And here we see that Osman is also fighting with the Mongols. You are rubbing the area here, and there Gorkul Khan is playing the drums of the city. We will cut you into pieces, Osman. Osman looks at the Spaniards, which is very difficult. Then Osman tells the Spaniards that you are standing up. The Ottoman soldiers say Allah Akbar and start to say Allah on the Mongols. The Ottoman says, well done, today is the day of reckoning. The Ottoman soldiers start to kill the Mongols. The Ottoman soldiers say, every life taken will be taken. The Ottoman soldiers start to kill the Mongols one by one. The Ottoman says, today all the accounts will be equalized. Well done, my dear friends. In this city, Gorkulu Khan has attacked his spies, and Bala Hatun is protecting the city with her spies. Bala Hatun tells her spies to close the roads. Well done. Do not allow her to enter the palace. Bala Hatun addresses Gorkulu Khan and says that Mongolian dog Gorkulu Khan, the city of Yunis, will prove to be your grave. And yes, you will never be able to get the princess. Gorkul Khan says that the city of Yunis will be burned in the fire of my gazab. Kill everyone. In the meantime, a soldier comes and says that the soldiers have seen the cemetery. There is no one there. Hearing this, Gorkul Khan says that the princess will be in the palace of Osman. Go to the palace and look for the princess. Here, Osman is fighting with his soldiers with the Mongols. I will kill you and take my revenge. The area you have come to take revenge will be your grave. Osman says that he will take revenge. Who are you? Who are you? What is this? Where did you come from? You people will find us in front of you where you will put injustice on the oppressed. Hearing this, Kader says that servants... We wanted to stop the Ottoman Empire, but it happened. After that, the caravan runs away with its servants. The Ottoman Empire says that it ran away again. Take care of the soldiers and wounded. Set the fire. Huzur, we will see. You reach the city. Only the government's door of the Ottoman Empire should not be calmed. Hearing this, the Ottoman Empire also says that there is no need to worry. With the grace of God, we will win with the grace of God. We will win by the grace of God. Well done, dear friends. Let's go to the city. Here Malone Hatun has reached the city of Unishare with her soldiers. The city of Unishare is in chaos and destruction is everywhere. The whole city of Unishare is burning in fire. Gorkul Khan tells an officer that Danchu, your best spy, come here and kill him. Osman will come after me. We should keep learning about his every move. That man says that whatever the order is, Amir Gorkul Khan says, burn everything. Bala Hatun says, if we lose, the city will be at peace. Be brave, young man. In the meantime, Malhun Hatun reaches for Bala Hatun's help and starts attacking with arrows. Malhun Hatun says that the city's here again. The war begins with arrows. Malhun Hatun has also reached the battlefield and says that without passing through our corpses, you will not be able to capture this city. Gorkul Khan says that this city will melt with my amazing penance. I will be brave and get the princess from your hearts. The lady attacks with arrows. The Ottoman soldiers are attacking the Mongols from the roof of the palace. Then Urahan Bey enters. Urahan Bey says that read the letter. Throw these Mongol dogs out. Gorkul Khan says that this field will remain hell until the princess is obtained. Tell the Ottoman. Gorkul Khan tells his spies to bring the stairs and rob the crops. Gorkul Khan's spies bring the stairs and then come on, move back. Quran also says that no one should be saved by attacking Mongols. Get up, Allah Akbar. Then Gorkul Khan runs away from there. Fatima Hatun is injured, and Maloon Hatun asks her if she is okay. Fatima Hatun says that I am fine, mother. Then in the palace, Uran is also in a hurry, and Malhun Hatun is happy to see him. Malhun Hatun says that thank God, you have reached at the right time, son. Here we see that Gorkulu Khan is running with his soldiers. Here in Yenisher, Osman is also in a hurry, and Yenisher is badly burning in the fire. Osman is also very surprised to see the condition of Yenisher. Then Osman also tells his soldiers to cool the fire. Well done, look at the wounded. Osman also goes to a wounded man and tells him not to worry, everything will be fine. Usmar B says that Gorkul Khan burnt my uniform, and here we see that Gunkatun's mother is softening him, and she tells him that you put your life on the line for this man. You had lost your mind. Gunkatun tells his mother that if I had not come in front of Lal Dwine, then my brother would have really killed him. So his mother says she let him do it. What does it have to do with you? How long have you been loving her so much that you have started to put your life at stake? I will not let this happen, Gonsha. Gonsha, while angry at her mother, says that what will not happen? Yes, you did not make me your toy. Now it's time to come to your senses, mother. Gonsha's mother says in anger that I had given you responsibility. I had told you to make her your lover. I had told you to destroy Alauddin. But you yourself have destroyed yourself. Gonsha, look at my daughter. Look, I am your mother, Gonsha. His mother says that I will not let your love be fulfilled. You will not meet Alahuddin, Gonka. In the meantime, Yubi enters, and he is surprised to see his daughter and asks her if she is okay. Gonka says that I am okay, father. Then Mr. Yub asks him who attacked. Gunsha looks at her brother, and Mehmet says nothing happened. During the search for the princess, some soldiers were raised. Ayub says angrily that what were you doing there, Mehmet? Ayub asks Mehmet that I did not give you another responsibility. Then Ayub says that whatever it is now comes to the real matter. Gorkul Khan has claimed the Yenishyar. Usman has made a big mistake by hitting the princess. Then Mehmet says that the Yenishyar market has been destroyed. You won't be as good as before, right, Baba? Ayub says absolutely. The dream of the Ottoman Empire has been shattered. Everything has been destroyed by this attack. Gonka Hatun tells her father that you are happy on this. And what about so many lives? Aren't you feeling sorry for these innocent people, father? Ayub is saying that what are you saying, Gonka? Why won't I be sad? He is a part of our life. Ayub says that wasn't it the duty of the Ottoman Empire to protect his people? I am not sad for the Ottoman Empire. I am sad for the people who sacrificed for its dream. I will take care of the cows from now on. If Usman could not protect, then we will do it. Get ready, we are going for the service. Mehmet says that Baba let Gonsha stay here, he is injured. Gonsha says thank you, brother. It's just fine. I am fine. I will also come with you. Ayub says that it's okay, then well done. Let's go. So with this, our part ends with the viewers. We hope you liked it and liked the video, and subscribe to the channel, because such videos will keep coming on this channel. Take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.